Okay, so there's a new update on gold tax. In this video, I'll be explaining how to perform the tax properly in order for you to get paid. Remember, withdrawal of gold returns and gold shares is on the 17th of every month. So, how do you perform the tax properly in order for you to get paid? Because some of you must have noticed that your transaction history has been showing pending for your gold returns withdrawal, while some showed failed because you've not been performing the tax properly. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to perform the tax properly in order for you to get paid. First, you click on this tax icon. After clicking on it, wait for it to load. Okay, then you scroll down. You see all these things popping up are ads, so you are just to click on this X sign to close the ad. You go back. Once it starts redirecting you to another site, you go back to the Luxegold site. So after you've closed the ads popping up, you click on this continue. Go back, click on continue. So after clicking on continue, you scroll down, and then the new update here is gold tax now come with two particular tax for a day. That means the tax for each day now has two parts: the part 1, which is this, and the part 2. Let me show you. This ad is just okay. So let me explain again. Gold tax now has two parts: the first part, which is this one, and then the second part, this. So basically, gold tax now has two links. So in order for you to complete the tax for each day, you have to click on the both links you would see each time you click on the gold tax icon. So you have to click on the both links. So here's the first link. We have to even read the instruction. There's always an instruction for each particular tax. So Luxegold special tax is back. Read carefully. In order for you to qualify for the ongoing gold returns payment and also the payment for next month, make sure you carry out this tax properly by clicking on both links before clicking on the click to in button, which is this button. Before clicking on this button, you have to click on the two links you would see. So these are the two links, this and this. So before you proceed to click on this click to in, make sure you click on these two links, because remember, like we said during like we announced earlier, that we'll be checking to confirm if you carried out all the tax given properly. You need to make sure you click on the both links, because we'll be checking. So first we'll check if you carried out the first tax, which says join the shortest bet prediction WhatsApp channel for free now. You have to hit the link below, turn on post notifications and react to post. This for the first tax. While for the second one, you have to, as a student, housewife, working or non-working, looking for how to earn $10 to $100 weekly in the comfort of your home, worry no more. Coach Deco is here to help you out. So click on the link below to get started with him on WhatsApp. So for the first tax, you have to click on this link. Once you click on the link, okay, it's taking me to another site. Since it's a WhatsApp tax, how do I know that it's a WhatsApp tax? Because of this WhatsApp right in here. So whatsapp.com. So you have to click on it till it takes you to your WhatsApp. Okay, now I'm on WhatsApp. Remember, as instructed, you have to follow the channel. So I would click on this follow icon at the top side there. I would click on follow, and then turn on post notification. So this is the post notification. You click on it, and then you react. You don't need to react to all the posts, just react to at least 3, and you are done for the first tax. Then you go back to your browser, and then for the second tax, you click on the second link. This one is also a WhatsApp link, so it will take me to my WhatsApp. So it's either you find an Instagram link, Telegram link, or WhatsApp link. These are the 3 links you would find on your gold tax. So for today we have only WhatsApp link. There can be a mixture of both. like Telegram and WhatsApp, or only Telegram, or maybe Instagram and WhatsApp. They come in different forms. So, but basically they are just three links. That's WhatsApp. It can only be like for the three social media. That's WhatsApp, Instagram, and then Telegram. So for today we have only WhatsApp. The both tags are for WhatsApp, so you have just to click on. Remember, you've done the first tag, so you have to perform the second task. Just click on this link to take you to WhatsApp. So you have to send him the message. Hi Deco, I'm interested in your business. My name is. So you just send the message, and you are done with the task for today. So you are just to go back to your browser and then click on this click to in order for you to end today. The reason why you are clicking on these two links is to be sure you carried out the task. It's for you to carry out the task properly, because we'll check if you skip a particular task, you will not be paid. We'll check. That's why the payment takes 10 to 15 days, because we are checking each account to see if you carried out the task properly. So make sure you carry out the task properly. Make sure you don't skip any of the links. They always, remember, each day has two links, so you have to click on the both links before clicking on this click to end. So the click to end will take you to either of the tasks. Okay, so this for the click to end button has taken me to the first task. So each time you click on this click to end, it will either take you to the link for the first task or the second task, where you have to click on the both links before clicking on this click to end. I don't know if you guys get. So once you click on it, to take you to the WhatsApp or maybe that particular task, either of these two tasks, and then you are done for that day. Just go back to your dashboard and check if you've been given your earning for that particular task. And you see, I've earned for today. So that's the new way of performing good tasks.